This is the XO-SS20 360 degree smart auto tracking gimbal. This gimbal comes with the handle, which is removable. It also comes with a base that you can set on your desk or table or wherever. It is also removable. It has adjustments, so you can adjust here like this here, this twist here for your phone. It also has a feature where you can raise this up. You can lower it down. Now, if you want to add it to your tripod, you just twist it right onto your tripod, just like this. This gimbal does not require an app for you to control it with your camera or your phone. It has a tracking sensor right here, which is adjustable for if you're in a standing position or a sitting position. You just click it right here. As you can see, you can use it with a phone. You can use it with a camera. You can also add a light so you have that good quality video. All right, I'm going to go over the buttons with you really quick. The middle button, when you hold it down like this, that turns it on. You see that flashing, the flashing green? When that's flashing green, that's the gesture mode. So that's when you give it the okay, it will track you. And when you give it the palm, it will stop. If you press that top button one time and it switches to the blue mode, it's going to consistently track you. There's no gesture. It's going to track you wherever you go and it won't stop. The bottom button, if you click that one, it's going to consistently pan all the way around. Just keep going in a circle. And you can click it twice and it'll pan the other direction. Now I'm going to demonstrate the gestures to you. Right now, as you can see, it's tracking me anywhere I move, right here. Just like that, right? Now, if you need to take a break, you just give it the palm symbol just like this. It's going to stop right there if you have to walk off camera, right? Now you get right back here. You want to get back to it. Give it the OK symbol. It's going to start tracking you again. It will track you 360 degrees all the way around. Now, if you do press that bottom button and you want it just to go in a circle, like pan your surroundings, it'll do just that. All right, this is the XO-SS20 360 degree tracking gimbal.